Here I have ARCHOS 50 Titanium, and let me show you how to enter the recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key on your phone, keep holding power button, choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait a couple of seconds until your phone will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, the power key and volume down. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, keep holding both keys and release them as soon as ARCHOS logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the no command logo pops up, so here you have to start by pressing the power key, and while holding power, press volume up once. And this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. As you can see here, you can apply update from the ADB, you can accomplish the hard reset operation, so the wipe data factory reset, you can wipe cache partition or reboot the bootloader, so simply enter the fastboot mode of the ARCHOS. You can also choose power down or choose the first option, which is reboot system now. So let me select reboot system now, press power key to confirm it, and the device is restarting and booting into a normal mode. So you have to wait a couple of seconds until your device will be ready to use. Excellent, now you can use your device. So everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.